na goitwo na tiwe mwene wa cogire gikuo giake tauria riboti ya borithi ikoretwo ikiuga. Abunge leskaina ikundi cia kuhurana ihoto cia umundu kwendekithia munini wa munene wa borithi Eliud Lagat atigithio wira niguo kuhe mweke uthuthuria wigie gikuo kia Albert Ojwang. Na mihango bugine ya Machakos kurugama thutha wa ngahihana bara gatagati ka MCAs kwiyumiria kumana na ndugamano cia utongoria. Atiri undu tagaja mwirori wa Kameme TV ni ejitekaga mura wa ndungu na twina wagaki wa muthoni thiini wa metha ya utauri gakunyita ugeni Facebook Kameme TV Kenya, YouTube Kameme TV Kenya yakwa kiube mwaura wa ndungu itikira tunyitanire nawe thiini wa gikujo giki. Tukiambiriria uthuthuria wa postmortem wa Albert Ojwang wonanitie akuire kumana na nguraro cia kurwa uru na makiria cia mutwe hamwe na goitwo no tiwe mwene wa cogire gikuo giake tauria riboti ya borithi ikoretwo ikiuga ati guthithiria ruthingo-ini rwa cero ya borithi ya Central kuria ahingiritwo. Ndagitari Bernard Media uria gutongoragia uthuthuria amere ata augite ni moire sample cia mwiri wake niguo gwika uthuthuria makiria. Ithe wa Albert aihuirwo ni ruo akiuga arenda kuona kihoto kia mwana wake wa mumwe wa ngui wa mwiruri ari na riboti.
Kiroko kia umuthi niguo uthuthuria wa postmortem ya mwiri wa Albert Ojwang utafanirio nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya City thutha wa gutirio muthenya wa ira. Uthuthuria uria ugutongoragio ni ndagitari Bernard Media mari na marigitari angi ana. Riboti ya uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Albert yonanitie akuire kumana na nguraro njuru cia mwiri na makiria cia mutwe na thutha na oho guitwo. Indi tiwe mwene wa cungiriirie gikuo giake ta uria riboti iria irarekereirio muthenya wa ira ni munene wa borithi iraugaga ati niwe we guthithirie ruthingo-ini rwa thero ya Central kuria ahingiritwo.
There were serious injuries to the head. There were also features of neck compression. There were also multiple soft tissue injuries that were spread all over the body, including the head also, the neck, upper limbs, and the trunk and the lower limbs. These are injuries that externally inflicted from external source and are in keeping with assault.
Ndagitari Bernard Media augite ni moganirie samples kuma mwiri-ini wa Albert cia gutafania uthuthuria makiria.
Hitting against a blunt substance, a wall would have a particular pattern, a frontal bleed. We've taken specimens and other investigative agencies are going to assist in getting other pieces of evidence which, pieced up together, will help in corroborating what we've just found.
Aihuritwo ni ruo ithe wa Albert Meshak Ojwang augete borithi mamuheire riboti ya maheni akiuria ni ihitia ririku muruwe ekire riaiganite we kurutwo muoyo. Akiuga riu atigitwo moko matheri kuona Albert arari mwana wake wa mumwe na arenda kihoto gikinyanirio
kupitia kwa sheria. Ukaseme kwa nini ulimuua mtoto wangu? Alikukosea nini ambayo inagharimu kifo chake? Kwa nini mtoto wangu peke yake asulubiwe kwa ajili ya neno la ufisadi ambayo inahusu nchi nzima? Sasa leo hii umenivunja mkono, umeniua. Kwa nini uniue? Unanidai nini?
Wakiri wa family Vincent Kisukwa ni ahithuritie thutha wa Albert guikio ngono kuma mucii kwao kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay atigire andikithia ndumiriri ya page 2 iria maugite matioi kiria atariirie. Na oho ni marenda kumenya kuria muthitangani wa mahitia maria Albert ekite ahurire riboti na oho ubi namba.
Huku kwenye makwapa pia unaweza kufika kwenye ukuta huko juu kwa kugongwa, huko kwenye kishogo na kwa magoti. Sababu boma langu hata ilipigwa picha hata kabla kijana wangu kuondoka. Wakaona kwamba huyu ni mfukara, hawezi kujitetea. Kwa hivyo lolote tunaweza kumfanyia mtoto wake, hiyo haibariki. Hiyo ni laana. Hiyo ni laana. Hiyo ni laana. Tusaidie.
How many times are you going to leave an old man without a single child? How many times are you going to leave a widow with a less than a month-year-old child? We have no problem with IPOA, but we have a problem if a Ludangat is still in office. That investigation will not be fair, just and verifiable.
Murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti ya Homa Bay Joyce Bensuda ni akorire haceke riria gwikinyitie moshari-ini ino ya City kuria muingi utanenda kumuthikiriria na mamuingatithia mamumagaria nginyagia aingira ngari-ini yake na ya kura. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
Ni riboti kiri na kiha kingi tugithie na mbere gikundi kia bunge ya kiama kia ODM na aria makoragwo kamiti-ini ya bunge giugitiri riu marenda munini wa munene wa borithi Eliud Lagat atigithio wira niguo kuhe mweke gutafanio kwa uthuthuria wigie gikuo kia Albert Ojwang. Abunge aya maugite kuona Lagat niwe wandikithirie mateta ma guthukirio ritwa ni Ojwang afatie gukorwo eheretie kuma wabici-ini ari hamwe na maafitha othe a borithi aria makuruhanitio na giko giki kwambiriria aria mathire kumuikia ngono ari mucii kwao kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay na maya mokite oriri mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga akomithitie giko giki akiuga no nginyagia uthuthuria baraginyo utafanio.
Mathaa manini thutha wa uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Albert Ojwang kuonania kuire kumana na nguraro njuru cia mutwe na ngingo ari kionereria kianene kuragwo oragirwo. Atongoria kuma ngathĩ itiganĩte cia bũrũri rĩu marenda makinya marumu matacukirio maabitha othe a borithi aria makuruhanirio na gĩko gĩkĩ. Kuma ũrĩa wandĩkithirie mateta ma gũthũkĩrio rĩtwa nĩ Ojwang nginya maabitha aria mathire kũmũikia ngono arĩ kwao mũciĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Homa Bay.
It is a mockery of justice to still have the person who had actually lodged the initial complaint on behavior of Albert to still be sitting as part of a team that is investigating the death of Albert. It is important that that officer steps aside or resigns to allow meaningful investigation to go on.
Abunge mainyiriirie ruhonge rwa borithi kwiyumiria na gutariria kiria giathire na mbere niguo gucungiriria gikuo kia Ojwang kuma riria aikirio ngono ari mucii kwao kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay thabari-ini ya kurehwo nginya kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na agicoka kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central.
We need to be told the journey from where he was picked to where he was interrogated to Central Police Station, and we must be told why it was not Mutaiga Police Station. Why was it Central Police Station? What is so special?
We don't want only those officers. We want all officers who are involved in any way, whether they are the officers who are arrested, whether they are the officers who are at Central Police Station.
Abunge marutite mukana wa kuhuthira hinya wao kamiti-ini ya ugitiri guthingiriria munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja gutabania maundu maya mendekithitie. Wona akorwo matakinyaniirwo ihinda-ini ria thiku 2 ciukite makiuga no nginya uria waheanire watho Ojwang aikio ngono akurikane na gitumi kia atwarwo thabari yo yothe niguo kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya Central.
Let Albert Ojwang be the last person to be tortured and killed in our police station. We don't invest money in the National Police Service so that they can bring to us such a results.
When a young Kenyan talks about a certain office held by an individual, they are talking about it because you are the one holding the office. If you have a thin skin, you can't take that. You exit. So as Kenyans, our expectations are that no one should try to gabble the issue that we are dealing with in our country today.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga akomithitie giko giki akiuga kirurumurite ruo rwa mbeũ njithi othe aria makoretwo moragitwo ni maabitha a borithi na no nginya uthuthuria utabanirio gikuo kia Ojwang niguo kihoto kionekane. Odinga hinyiriirie ati ruhonge rwa borithi no nginya rukorwo no camba muiganu gutacukiria makinya maki watho amwe a aria makoretwo magitabania ciiko ici. Mũrũgamo ta ũyũ nĩ wĩiyũkĩtio nĩ kĩama kĩa mawakiri bũrũri-inĩ LSK arĩa marenda Lang'at eyeherie wĩra-inĩ nĩguo kũhotithia ũthuthuria gũtabanio. Gũkũ gĩkundi gĩa kũhũranĩra ihoto cia mũingĩ kĩa Voco Africa gĩũkĩrĩire rũhonge rwa kũnyabara ũruti wĩra wa borithi ya Pwani kĩrĩa kĩonekanĩte arĩ kũnyitanĩra na borithi.
If it wasn't for what happened, Alfred would have been free. Albert would have been free, would have been with his family, would have been released because they would have not been able to hold charges. But they decided to take the law upon their hands. They decided to take his life.
IPOA, we are very, very saddened when you are issuing press statements together with the prime suspects, because the police are the suspects in the murder of Albert Ojwang. How is it that IPOA is holding press statements together with the prime suspects?
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura Wagunya.
Na tukitigana na icero tuthie kaunti ya Machakos, hango yothe bunge-inĩ ya kaunti ĩno icũngĩrĩirio kũrũgama thutha wa ngahĩha na bara ya ndodio kwĩyumĩria wa cenjanio kwa ũtongoria.
Karo cia bunge ya kaunti ya Machakos iria ciambĩrĩirio wega mathaa-inĩ ma rũcinĩ.
Point of order.
Let me finish my
point of order, Madam Speaker. Point of order.
No bugi ya temuri harĩ ya speaker wa bunge no Ancusia.
Communicate hapana. Order.
Aitekire gũthoma ndũmĩrĩri ya gũcenjio kwa ũtongoria wa arĩa anini bunge-inĩ. MCA za kũheka gĩtĩo maikia gĩtĩo kĩao na kĩano magĩitĩka kuonania wagi wa thoni makĩrwa kĩng'ang'ainĩ, amwe makĩnyitana mashati, angĩ magĩikagia ngũndi na mateke. Nĩ ũndũ ũcũngĩrĩirie mĩhang'o yothe kaunti-inĩ ĩno kũrũgama ceni, o rĩrĩ bunge ĩno ĩrahingĩtwo hakuhĩ mweri ũmwe. Ndũgamo nayo ũmũthĩ ĩkĩrĩkana kumana na mwaho wa arĩa anini ũrĩa ũtongoragio nĩ kĩama kĩa Wiper kwenda kweheria Judas Mbili Ndawa ta mũtongoria wa arĩa anini na kũgathĩka MCA wa Mathatani Francis Kaviyu gĩtũra-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Of course, a lot of things will be affected because now Speaker has the power to suspend the assembly on standing order 108, which allows her to suspend the sittings indefinitely. So that would have the effect of affecting the budget making process, supplementary budget and other business that was supposed to come to the house.
Jea bunge no aikaria kaunti ya Machakos na omeyumeria na mathogota makimenereria bara iria yathie na mbere kaunti-inĩ no, rĩu makiuga nĩ ihinda atongoria ya meheria ũteti ũtarĩ kĩharĩro na marutĩre mũingĩ wĩra.
Tumeathirika kwa sababu mambo ile inapaswa kufanywa na bunge imesimama. Everything is stand by. Hakuna kitu inaendelea Machakos. Hatukuchagua watu wakuja kulala ama wakuja kufunga bunge wakati wanataka. No, our system must be running every day. Sawa sawa, it is our constitutional right to pay services na hii bunge.
Yule anapikana, sisi hatutaki kupikana. Tunataka amani kwa sababu tuliwasakua. Wapanda kazi ya kutumania kazi. Kwa nini wanakuja kupikana? Sisi hatutaki hiyo.
Bunge tutafunga leo na wote watoke tuingie sisi kwa bunge. Hatutaki vita ya kuua watu. Kwa hivyo wameshindwa na kazi watoke wote. Tuingie tufanye kazi.
Kũringana na ikaria ya ndũgamano cia MCAs icũngĩrĩirie mawatho ma kaunti gũkwama na wĩra wa kaunti gũtigwo na igeca. Ũndũ ũrĩa nĩ ũgwatio na harĩ ũthii wa na mbere wa kaunti ĩno, rĩu makĩmoria kũnina mbara cia ũtongoria gatagatĩ-inĩ kao.
Hii bunge ilikuwa recess. Kutoka recess ikakuja ikafungwa. Tukasikia speaker, sikia wewe, tukasikia speaker amechukua nini? Court induction. Court isifunguliwe, wakaenda kabisa. Wakakaa almost 20 days, I don't know when. Hiyo wakati walikuwa wamenyamaza. Walikuwa hakuna kazi wamefanya. Wananchi tulikuwa tunaumia kwa sababu every system was silent. Si sawa sawa? Venye wamerudi kuja kupigana. Tekwatiu. Tutashindia siku moja.
Harina Kameme TV leto ni Bataro wa Mwagi.
Igatho Bataro wa Mwagi na riboti yone kwa bagututwara breaking gucokereria na magi maige ndugacenjie mutambo.
Maya ni mohoro ma Kameme TV. Kameme TV.
This May, the stage is set, the mic is on and the search begins. From raw vocals to big talent, the search is on for Africa's next hit maker. Next Superstar is here. Premiering May 3rd exclusively on Rainbow TV+. Buy a DTT StarTimes decoder for only 1,399 bob or a DTH for 3,199 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment. Join judges Size 8, King Kaka, Motive, hosted by Amina and Butita on Next Superstar. Renew your subscription on DTH Smart Bouquet or DTT Basic Bouquet to enjoy unlimited entertainment. StarTimes, enjoy digital life.
Matuko maninagwo nĩ gũkĩa na nĩkĩo Farmhood Ventures Limited kambuni ĩrĩa kũrekaine harĩ wendia na wĩigithia wa ng'ũndũ ĩtigagĩrĩra nĩ yamũrehera project ciĩngũrani na mwĩhoko mwerũ nĩ gũkorwo kwĩhokwo nĩ ndwano ĩtahĩtagia kĩũngũyũ.
Barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Garissa Road o ndagĩka 10 tu kuma taũni nene ya Matu tũkamũrehera Ikatini Gardens na thogora wa 230,000 na kuo mwena wa Gĩthioko o ndagĩka 5 tu kuma Rami-inĩ tũkamũrehera Evergreen Gardens Phase 2 burodi cia 50/100 na thogora wa 130,000.
Na warĩkia kwĩgwatĩra title deed ĩguoko.
No tũcerere wabici-inĩ itũ Riruton Doctors Plaza 2nd floor kana wabici itũ ya Thika Maisha Heights 3rd floor. Namba itũ ya thimũ nĩyo 0704 000 333.
Tuesday, bana on the Gen Z Manifesto bana tunapiga